Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to play with the _call method, and let's call this how should we call it? Random from stuff.py. So basically what I would like to implement is technically a class, and this is going to be using the random module. And the requirement for this class is to, every time I call this class, it should return a random value from the elements which it was initialized with. So basically we could call this random stuff. And what we will need is the init function. And let's call this iterable. And what we will do is to say that self_items is going to be a list of iterable. And we are going to use the random.shuffle to randomize the order of the items. And now we are going to have the _call method, and this call method is not going to take any arguments apart from self, but what it will do is to try and return from the self items.pop. Otherwise we will have an index error, and we raise the standard lookup error stating that there are no more items. That's basically the idea behind this class, and let's see how it works. So let's take it for a test drive. Let's call this numbers, and we will have the random stuff, and we would like to initialize it with a range of 20. And if I print numbers, let's define our str function, and we return an f string which holds the comma joined self_items. Good. Let's go to another console, and here we are going to give it a test run. So Python 3 random stuff, and what we are going to do here is convert these into strings. So str _for in self items. Good. So now every time I run my random stuff, it is going to give the list a random order. And when I call the numbers, it should return with a random value every time I run it. And this should also work on any kind of object that is iterable. So let's create a class. I don't know, let's call this person, and in the init function we have the name, and we are going to have the self.name equal to name, and the str function is going to have just simply the return f string self dot _ class dot _ qual name, and we are going to have the name equal to self.name. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me just bring it a bit down. Cool. So the other test drive that I want to do is to create the people. And we call this random stuff. And we are going to pass a list of person. So name is Daniel. And person name is Gabriel. And person name is Naomi. So now if I go ahead and print the people, this is what we should see. So person name, person Gabriel, person Daniel, Naomi, and the order changes every time I execute it. And I can also pick a random people. So people and save it. Good. And technically that's it. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.